If you are in the market for a used Chevy Silverado, or if there is one sitting in your driveway right now, you need to listen to me very carefully. General Motors built some of the most indestructible pickup trucks on the planet, but there is a dark spot in their history. There is one specific year, one exact model configuration that mechanics call the Trojan Horse. It looks like a Silverado, but hiding inside the engine block is a catastrophic engineering failure virtually guaranteed to cost you over $5,000. Dealerships know about it. Used car lots hide it, and thousands of buyers fall into this trap every single month. Before we expose the disaster, we must understand what a real Silverado is supposed to be. From 1999 to 2006, Chevy produced the golden-era GMT 800 platform. The 5.3-liter Vortec V8 from those years is legendary. It used a simple iron block and standard lifters. It was pure, heavy-duty mechanical engineering. You knew exactly what you were getting. But in the late 2000s, the government stepped in. Fuel economy regulations became aggressive. Chevy was under immense pressure to make their heavy V8 engines consume less gas. This led to the worst engineering decision in modern truck history. They introduced active fuel management, or AFM. When cruising on the highway, the computer shuts off 4 cylinders to save gas. To make this magic happen, they installed highly complex, spring-loaded lifters inside the engine. This was no longer a rugged workhorse. It became a delicate hydraulic science experiment. And dirty oil is the absolute kryptonite to the AFM system. When those tiny oil passages inside the lifters get clogged, the disaster begins. Suddenly, you hear a loud ticking noise from the top of the engine. A few miles later, your check engine light flashes and the pickup starts shaking violently. One of those delicate AFM lifters collapsed. The spinning camshaft smashes into the broken lifter thousands of times per minute. It destroys the lifter, chews up the camshaft, and sends sharp metal shavings directly into your oil pan. You cannot just replace one lifter. A mechanic has to pull the cylinder heads and replace the ruined camshaft. You are looking at a repair bill of up to $6,000. So, what is the year you must avoid at all costs? The year is 2007. But here is the ultimate trap. In 2007, Chevy sold 2 completely different pickup trucks under the exact same name. They sold the 2007 Silverado Classic, the final year of the bulletproof era. If you find a Classic, buy it. But right beside it, they introduced the 2007 new body style. This was the guinea pig year. They shoved the untested AFM technology into the 5.3-liter V8. Buyers see the year 2007, remember the legend, and accidentally buy the nightmare. If you are looking at a 2007 Silverado, you must verify the body style. If it has the bulky, stacked headlights of the new body style, walk away. That early AFM engine is a ticking time bomb. If you currently own one and it has not failed yet, your best defense is changing your oil every 3,000 miles with full synthetic to keep those delicate lifters clean. General Motors built incredible pickup trucks, but the 2007 new body style was an expensive lesson. If this video just saved you $5,000, hit that subscribe button right now. Let me know in the comments. Have you experienced the Chevy lifter tick of death? I will see you next time at Garage of Time.